Eco-friendly garage, sustainable materials, smart storage and natural lighting 2025. Welcome to the future of green living. In this video, we explore eco-friendly garage design ideas for 2025, where function meets sustainability. Discover innovative ways to transform your garage into an environmentally responsible and efficient space using sustainable materials, energy-saving solutions, clever storage systems, and natural lighting. Whether you're building a new garage or upgrading an existing one, these ideas will help you minimize environmental impact while maximizing style, storage, and long-term savings. What is an eco-friendly garage? An eco-friendly garage is a space built or renovated with the environment in mind. It incorporates sustainable building materials, low-impact finishes, natural ventilation, and smart organization to reduce waste, save energy, and support a cleaner future, all without compromising on design and functionality. What you'll see in this video: recycled or reclaimed materials used for walls, floors, and storage. Energy-efficient LED lighting systems. Solar-powered lighting or charging stations. Rainwater harvesting tanks or gray water systems for car washing. Garage doors made from sustainably sourced wood or metal alternatives. Low VOC paints and finishes for better air quality. Built-in bike racks, shelving units, and vertical storage to reduce clutter. Skylights and large windows to maximize daylight. Smart garage systems for remote access, security, and energy monitoring. Electric vehicle charging station, EV, integration. Natural ventilation through louvers or solar-powered exhaust fans. Green roofing or vertical gardens on or around the garage. Sustainable design features highlighted. Recycled concrete or bamboo flooring. Durable, stylish, and environmentally sound. Passive solar orientation. Maximize heat and light naturally. Eco-insulation. Sheep's wool, cotton, or cellulose insulation. Smart organization. Declutter using efficient modular systems. Dual-use zones. Turn your garage into a workshop, gym, or creative space. Ventilation enhancements. Use solar attic fans or natural cross-ventilation. Non-toxic materials. Use products that are low in toxins and chemicals. Eco-paints. Low or zero VOC paints that are better for health and the planet. Who will love this video? Homeowners planning a garage renovation or new build in 2025. Eco-conscious families and green living enthusiasts. DIYers and garage workshop creators. Electric vehicle, EV, owners and future-forward designers. Sustainability-focused interior and architectural designers. People looking for storage solutions that save space and reduce waste. Ready to build or renovate? Like this video if you're inspired by sustainable living. Comment your favorite eco feature from the video. Subscribe for weekly uploads on interior design trends, modern architecture, and green living. Share this video with an eco-conscious friend or architect.